I'm wearing my rain gear today. Meeting a buddy here in a little while. He slept in, so I got this thing, which I think is going to be a steel nickel. It wipes it over. Yeah, it's pretty sure it's a steel nickel. I'll try to clean it, but they're pretty toasty. When they're corroded, I'll put it in my clad pocket. But I did find this, which is silver, but I have, like, I'm gonna have to soak that. That's toasted. But I would say it was probably, it's like 8 inches. I don't even really know how old it is. It looks like maybe a George. I mean, it's toast, but hey, whatever, man. I'll take it. Silver. Number 1 for the day. Perfect. Let's see if there's any more in here. Oh, here we go. Big coin spill to start the day. That would be cool. Here's something. Is that a Wheatie? Yeah, 1926 Wheatie. So that penny might be, that silver might be old. Oh, we're right into it. This has been filled, the top area here has been filled in. We did some research on this. Yeah, that's a nickel. That's an old one. What's that? It's one of those Canadian stop sign nickels. Yeah, 1950 nickel. That's ridiculous to start the day with a coin spill. There's another penny. Are we out now? Nope. There's some more. Another penny. So, looks like, oh, what's this? Oh my god, there's more stuff. 42 nickel. Be silver. Silver. It's a Washington. That'll be a silver washi. Come on, baby. Looks like a good one. Could have a silver quarter. Let's see. Yep, 1954 Washington quarter. Right there. 2 silvers so far. 2 nickels. Anything else? Nope, that's it. That's awesome. Hey guys, just out here with my buddy. He made it. I'm digging the fill. I found this thing. I don't know what the hell it is. I think it's a large cent, maybe. I think so. It's pretty cooked, but we'll clean it up and we'll show you guys.
Let me give that a nice little rub for you.
Yeah, rub it hard, bud. Look at this guy. Look at him. He's wearing the yellow pants with a black jacket. Sexy.
Dirthound in the house.
Yep. Hey guys, this one's an awesome signal. 1246, 1247. 46. 46. Alright. There's all gravel and stuff under here. So that's some old something. There wasn't a lot of iron showing up either, so I'm optimistic. Might be silver. I'm hoping. It's pretty shallow. It might be deeper. Who knows? Out there. Don't you dare. What is that? That's a ring, I think. Yep. Yep, silver ring. Yahoo! Alright, sterling. That's cool. It's junky, but whatever. I'll take it. Hey guys, okay, Dirthound has given me the big screech and scream here. And I think if you look there, you can see what the hell's going on. But that isn't seriously what it looks like, is it?
I think so, buddy.
Oh, good lord.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a beefy chunk of gold, I think.
That looks crazy.
Stamp on here. 14K,
Wow, look at that.
Boom, baby.
Boom, baby, that's right. We'll give him that one. Holy mackerel. Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Nice job, dude.
Yeah.
Give me the bumps.
Fist bump.
There's your,
Just there, but whatever.
it's okay. Wow.
Oh, it's heavy, too.
That's awesome. Hey guys, I apologize up front because it was raining and my glasses aren't waterproof. So the signal was a 1241 at 3 inches. So it was nothing. I was expecting it just to be a penny, but it is not a penny. It is something better. I think. I haven't looked at it yet, but that looks pretty silvery to me. What do you think? Yep. There's old George. Sailboat. This is a 1940 silver dime. That's pretty cool. Hey, Dirty Hands! Yeah. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Here she comes. No, I just yelled at you because I missed you.
Oh, awesome.
Check this. I haven't moved it.
What is it?
LC.
LC, yeah.
I'm not going to clean it, of course, because my persecutor is here if I do.
Oh,
But,
awesome.
yeah, so we'll clean it up, guys, and we'll show you that.
Get a date.
Let's see what Good Eyes can do.
1919.
Sweet.
1919.
That's cool.
Awesome. Good job.
Thanks.
LC.
Woohoo! Hey guys, I just got that, which looks like a cufflink, I think. Pretty cool. Still figuring this out, but we're starting to narrow it down. It's either a cufflink or a tie clip or something. I don't know. We'll clean it up. We'll show it to you after this. Hey guys, it's freaking thunder and lightning, and I'm out with the Dirty Hands guys. And we're in the woods, so this probably isn't real smart, but I took my gloves off because these glasses aren't even waterproof. There it is. Got a real good, like a 1241, 42, and it's a little silver dime. I'm gonna just wrap it up, and we'll clean it later on, and I'll make sure I show it to you guys. Sweet! Okay guys, there's a signal around here. There it is. What's it saying, Eric?
Sawing, let's see, 74 DDR, large cent, I think.
I'm gonna look up at the hero.
Penny.
There he is! It is so wet.
Pinpoint's pretty small, 3 inches. 1858, let's see it.
Okay, let's do it. It's a 1921 fishy. Those are worth a ton of money, by the way. That's the joke there.
No, this is a large cent for sure.
Oh, no, we've had it set on video. It's a large cent for sure, says the Dirthound.
Oh, there it is. It's a large cent.
It is a large cent.
It's a large cent.
Make sure not to rub it. Dirty Hands will kill you.
Cool, man.
Sweet! If you just hang your hand like that long enough, it'll wash itself.
It will.
Okay, guys, we're just gonna hold it live. No. Glad they're all steamed up now from being in my pocket. I just got to overload out in the woods here again, and I'm always on the lookout for axes. I'm into the axe thing lately, so here's a pretty cool one. It's actually in pretty nice shape. So, just can see that. So it's a little rusty, of course, but looks to be in pretty good shape, actually. Looks like a real nice axe. So I'll clean it up, and maybe we'll do a video on cleaning this stuff. I know Aqua Chigger Bow has some great ones, but I'll try to do one of my own. There you go. I love this. Hey guys, alright. Still just kicking it in the woods. It's raining a lot, so I can't really tape it live, but I did find that a few minutes ago, which looks like a child's heel plate from a shoe. I know Dirty Hands guys found a similar one the other day in the same size. So and then I just found this thing. I thought it was a silver, actually. It's a little kid's gun, little toy gun. It looks old. I think it's all metal. Try to clean that up. It looks like it's okay. You know, it's intact at least, so I'll try to clean it, and hopefully it comes out good. I can show it to you guys. Before we get into the next target, I'm going to show you this. You can almost shoot straight down it. It's an old logging road that I found. So now we'll get into the targets. So this was a 1234. It's actually a wood splitting wedge. It's like early 1800s. So it's love this old iron, the big stuff. You can see here on the back, it's a little busted up here on the sides from being pounded. Hey guys, just found a large cent. It's pretty dirty, but clean that up, and I'll show you that. That was at 1 inch. So there we go. I'll clean it up. I'll show you guys. Hey guys, these signals are coming up ridiculous. I just found that. It's a large cent. That's pretty cool. I'll clean all these things up and I'll show you guys that. That was a 1236. The other one earlier was a 1230. So we'll see.
Way to go, Rick Savage. Give one for the crowd. Woo, baby! Yeah! Yeah! See you on the next one.